Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how often should you replace your battery on a laptop. So the battery should be usually replaced after around 3 years, so that will be around 500 charging cycles. The charging cycle is basically a full charge. So after 500 full charges, although it may differ sometimes. So sometimes it may be maybe 300 charges, sometimes 1,000 charges. It really depends. And the first sign to replace your battery should be if your laptop doesn't work on battery as long as you would wish. It's not like it was when it was new, and just feels like the battery runs really low. I'm gonna show you how to check the charging cycles in order to know whether or not you should replace it now. So to do it, I'm gonna unlock my laptop first. And then I'm gonna flip it over like that. Just adjust the cable here, okay. And now you should open PowerShell. So to open the PowerShell, just search for it. Just here, but make sure you run it as administrator. So you should select this option. Then click on yes. And after it launches, it should show you a prompt here, ps:/windows/system32. That means you're running it as an administrator. And now you should enter the same command as me. So this will be powercfg. Then it will be a /battery report, just like that. Then /option, output. And now in the output, use double quotes to put in the path you want to save it to. So I'm gonna type in C:// then I'm gonna do something like bat_rep, so it's gonna be battery report .html. It has to end in the .html in order for everything to work. And you may copy the comment, the exact same comment as me, then click on enter. And now it says battery life report, save to file path, and this is your file path, so we are gonna open it now. Let's go to the file explorer, then go to this PC, local disk C, and now you should see batrep here or anything else that you've named it to. Double click on it and it will open a browser, and in the browser it will show you all the data. And here in the installed batteries, you'll see cycle count. I have only 7 cycles, so the battery is really fresh. I don't need to replace it just yet. I will have like 3 more years to use it. You can also see the full charge capacity and the design capacity. The design capacity is the original capacity of the battery, so like if it was brand new. And the full charge capacity is minus the milliwatt hours that just have been degraded. So you can see that I have 1,000 milliwatt hours less, but I don't need to worry about it because 1,000 milliwatt hours on a laptop isn't much. But if you see a large drop here, then I would consider replacing a battery. And you don't need to do it, you can just work with it. But if you are unsatisfied with the time your laptop works on battery, then I would suggest to. And in order to do it, I would most likely suggest you going to a technician that will do it for you, because it's not an easy process, although some laptops have a easily replaceable battery. So when you flip your laptop over, you should see if your laptop has a replaceable battery. You should see it somewhere here or here. There will be buttons that will allow you to just easily take the battery out. Then you can order a new one and put it in. But most of the new laptops that were manufactured recently don't have this option, and in order to replace the battery, the whole bottom cover has to be taken out and it has to be unscrewed. So I would suggest going to a technician, but if you know how to do it, then you can do it yourself, but you're doing it at your own risk because you may damage something. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.